Hey guys, Coach Pillowfist here, and today we're talking about a very crucial common mistake that people make when they lead with their lead-handed power punch, which is if I lead with my left hook, left uppercut, or left body shot, boom, boom, right? Boom, boom, boom. Now yesterday I held mitts for like 42 different people, 2 hours straight, 1 round per person. And one of the most common mistakes that I saw all across the board was when I asked somebody to throw like a 3-2 type of combination, like a 3-2. Now that big mistake is when people go like this. Boom, boom. What I don't want is for you guys to have to reach your arm all the way out here just to throw a leading power punch. See, most of you guys, when you guys throw a lead-handed power punch, you guys are used to throwing like a 2-3, right? Like a 1-2-3. When I throw like a 1-2-3, my shoulders are already naturally turned because I threw a right-handed punch first, boom, and then I threw that left-handed punch. Boom, right? But what if you don't throw that right-handed punch first? Then what are you guys gonna do? Are you guys gonna load up like this just to get some leverage in your punch? No, what you guys should do is to shift your shoulders about 1 inch to the lead hand side. Boom, and then throw that punch. So watch my shoulders shift just a little bit as I throw that lead handed punch. Right? So I'm shifting my shoulders over, boom, and then I'm gonna throw that lead handed punch. So what I like to tell people to help them remember to shift their shoulders over before throwing that lead handed power punch is to slip first. Slip to the lead hand side first. So if I throw a 3-2, I'm gonna slip to the lead hand side, boom, boom, and then throw that lead handed punch. Because when I slip, my shoulders are already turned, ready to throw that lead handed punch, right? So I'm gonna slip, 3-2, boom, boom, right? Slip, uppercut, boom, slip, body shot, right? Boom, 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 boom. So slip first and then throw that punch. Slip, body shot, slip hook, slip uppercut, right? So I'm gonna slip and throw that lead hand punch. Boom, boom. Now once you guys really practice slipping before you guys throw that lead-handed power punch, then naturally you will be able to turn your shoulders without even having to slip, right? Boom, right? Boom, boom, boom. Naturally, I'm gonna be inclined to turn my shoulders with my head movement. That's why head movement is so important, because when you move your head, right, you move your shoulders. And then when I move my head here, boom, boom, right? I can more easily throw the lead-handed power punch, right? Boom, 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 boom. But alright everybody, thank you guys for tuning into the video. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.